This video we'll be talking about inventory usage. So our software keeps track of your different products that you carry to either sell or for your back bar of your business. And sometimes you'll need to use a product as a business and mark it as used so that you can keep your inventory numbers up to date. So to get there, you'll simply go to Inventory and then select Inventory Usage. From here, if you have the product in your hand, you can just scan that product, or you can search by product name and click search. Since I had the exact SKU, it's going to assume the moisturizing conditioner. And let's say I'm using 3 of these, and I can note if it's the company that's using it as a whole, or I can also note if it's a specific worker. There is a report that ties into this, and then I can keep going with this. So if I type in, let's just say shampoo, it's going to show me all of my different shampoos, and I can select that. I can update my quantity as needed, and I can continue to go on with this, and then go ahead and click save. If I want to see a report on that, I simply go to Reports, Inventory, and then Inventory Usage by Date. Click Generate, and it's going to show me the inventory usage. I can also filter this out and select that I just want to see inventory used by Michael or whomever, and it will also tell me my total cost here down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.